So this one is on page 80. So it's the back of the last sheet. So what this is different is this is a tangent to a point. Usually for tangent, what we've done previously is we'd have always had the point on the curve, and this one you're not given it. So I'm going to do this one first, which is slightly harder than this one. And so what you have to do is you've got to find the focal points first. So to find the focal points, you get your compass, you set it to half of the major axis. You put it on top of the major axis and you swing down. And swing out like that. This gives you point, call it F1 and F2. That's the first step. The second step is you put your compass on your point and you set it to the closest focal point and you swing a big arc. Like this. Second point, that's the second. So compass from the point to the second focal point, swing a big arc. The third thing you do is you get your compass, you set it to the whole major axis, and we put the point on the second focal point. And we swing an arc. Swing an arc here. So what happens is that, I'm going to bring this one on a small bit here, where these two arcs meet, these meet at 2 points, the point here and a point here. If we join these back to the furthest focal point, I put this in a bit heavy so you can see what's happening. So you join this point and this point back to the furthest focal point, and this one back to the furthest focal point. Where these meet the ellipse, which is here and here, that gives us our point on the edge, or POC, point of contact. And there'll be another P there. So the tangent would go from A to P, from A to P. So there's 2 tangents on that. This one is the same, only you're given the focal points. So that one is done the exact same as this. So you may have to watch that a few times because it's not easy. It's probably the hardest construction in the whole course. For this one down here, this is the same as these two, so I'm not going to do it again. For this one, you have to find the minor axis when given the focal. So what you do is, normally to get the focal, you'd get half the major, put it on top of the minor and swing it down. But we don't have the minor, so we just turn the compass the other way around. So half the major, put it on top of the focal and swing up. So that would be the point where it meets. You swing this around here. If you're asked to draw the ellipse, you are. You draw the ellipse, so you swing this around and then divide it up the same way as you always do.